Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to save order weight and display in WooCommerce admin order section in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see order. So click on it. Now scroll down, open any order. So click on it. Edit order section open and scroll down. You see order detail. So we are going to show order weight here. So we will add custom code. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation scroll down, on left side you see code slipper, then you see add slipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom slipper section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP slipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see order weight, so you can add your custom text here. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and save. We are going to place order. Now go to product and refresh the page. Now click on add to cart, then click on view cart. Now scroll down, click on proceed to checkout. Now click on place order. Order has been received. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce, then you see order, so click on it. Now scroll down, click on order. Now edit order section open and scroll down. You see order weight 1 kg and you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.